Good morning, guys. I'm going to go over the work for Tuesday and for Wednesday of this week. So, just as a reminder, if you need the library, that link is up here. This takes us to Google Classroom. This right here will take you to your textbook. So, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the right Zoom class by period because Tuesday's an A day, Wednesday's a B day. Okay. And then pre-AP on Wednesday, you're going to take your quiz. I originally had it marked here. That's the wrong date because I don't see you till Wednesday. Just know that pre-AP has a quiz on Wednesday. Okay, you're going to see this new stuff, which I'm going to go over here shortly. You're going to come here and answer your daily question, which is going to ask you, how does the setting of your summer reading book help or change the main character? You need to give me a brief explanation of that sentence. Then we're going to talk about internal versus external conflict. I'm going to show you this video. We're going to have a discussion with our summer reading books. I'm going to try to put you in breakout groups so that you can talk to a new friend about how your character faced internal and external challenges. When we're done with that, this is your week of the day. So we're going to start a summer reading project test. It's going to count as your first test grade because next week we're going to start with writing. This is going to be due the 14th. If we have time after I explain that, we're going to start this short story called Thank You, Ma'am. So if you go to whatever class you have, because each class has this too, you have 4 instructions. You have a character doll. It says you will complete the following page about the main character in your book. You can either print this out and work on it while later submitting a picture of your work, or you can do this digitally and submit it in either Google Slides or use Google Draw. Please be creative and provide text evidence from your book. This is your blank character doll. This is what you either print or you're going to have to open with Google Docs, and then you can add it. And then this is what I'm looking for. We're going to talk about, what does your character say? What does he think? What does he look like? What are his feelings? What motivates your character to do what they do in your book? If you had to pick a symbol to represent your character, what would it be? What can you as the reader learn about that character through their actions? So that's what we're going to do for a test grade. This rubric will be how I grade it. These are points across the board about each section. So I will come through this, tally up your stuff, and then that's how you will get your test grade. So that is here. And then on your book for Thank You, Ma'am, because we're going to be discussing this in the next 2 weeks. Remember, for your textbook link, you go up here. This is Unit 1 of your book. Thank You, Ma'am is going to be on page 54. And we're going to talk about the Harlem Renaissance and how Langston Hughes helped shape the Black artistic movement in Harlem in New York. That's going to be it for right now. So